Hi guys, what's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we are in a pretty cool forest here in Holland. I hope you enjoy the video. So, Holland's nature is mostly flat and farmland, but we also have some beautiful forests, some beaches, and even 2 mini deserts. But today we'll be looking at the Gooise Nature Reserve Spanderswoud.
Although you won't see them, my parents are with me on this video, and so is our dog Shadow, who you will be seeing because he's too cute to exclude from the video. I will also be making appearances during the video. This is my channel after all. So how about some info about Spanderswoud? Spanderswoud is located in Hilversum and is 213 hectares big. You can enjoy activities such as biking, walking the dog, riding on your horse, enjoying a simple hike, or you can camp here at the Camping the French Camp. The spanning forest is naturally known for the so-called transformation management from production forest to natural forest since 1981. Nature has been able to go its own course as much as possible. Died trees remain. This offers shelters to small animals, and every year delivers a colorful shifting to mushrooms. The area has an extensive bird population with many real forest birds, such as garden whistles, great spotted woodpeckers, and forest owls. Old beaches offer shelters for different types of bats. There are some estate water features on the south side. For the west side, forest is present on drift sand humps. There are some beautiful fields and grasslands on the transition to Schravenland outdoor locations. Unique here is the kindergarten path, which was opened in 2007, a natural experience path specifically laid out for children up to 7 years. The Gooise Nature Reserve manages and protects more than 2,800 vulnerable nature in the densely populated city borders. So much varied nature so close home is unique in the Netherlands. Wonderfully quiet walks in the cool forests, running with the dog on the heath or on the road with the Nordic walking sticks. Their network of well-passable paths offers various routes with a rich variation between forest, heaths, sand drifts, and historic fields. You only have to choose a starting point and you can easily follow the numbered posts, or you can choose an exciting route yourself. If you meet or see grazers, keep at least 25 meters away and move on calmly. Around Hilversum, it runs 25 kilometers long, popular footsteps through forest and heath. You recognize the footstep path on the concrete posts along the route with a footprint. The route is good to run in parts. The guide footstep path gives an explanation of the landscape and route. The bicycle is the ideal means of transport for the Gooise landscape thanks to a network of more than 110 kilometers of well-maintained cycle paths. You cycle through forest alternately about heaths and past historical fields. In some places you have to go straight on when you drive a stool wall or nature bridge on. This provides extra variety and a sporting challenge. The forests and heaths of Gooise Nature Reserve offer great opportunities for riders and coaches with tension. There is a network of more than 70 kilometers of specially landscaped and maintained rider and tension routes. Enjoy the special Gooise nature together with the dog? That is possible because your dog is welcome almost everywhere. Dogs must be aligned in certain areas or at certain moments. Dogs must be aligned primarily to guarantee the peace in nature areas for naturally present fauna, but also for their sheep and cattle. Visitors also appreciate their rest. Release may only be in the specifically designated zones and is only permitted when the dog is under appeal. From July 15, 2021, a maximum of 3 dogs per supervisor may include nature. This applies to all nature areas where dogs on a leash or loose are permitted. Dog exclusion services are welcome with a maximum number of 3 dogs per supervisor. For children, there is a lot to do in the Gooise Nature Reserve. There is a selection of the possibilities, especially for children from 4 to 6 years. 2 adventurous discovery tours were developed by Nature. Link to Lamp and Martin Mol take the children through the sheepfold and the Spanderswoud respectively. Every route has its own package. With the package, the children can draw, collect, and investigate in the field, and afterwards at home. Parents and grandparents have the route map Wegwijzer. This helps to find the way and is full of fun stories to read and playful assignments to do together. There are also additional assignments and games in the Do Bookie. Enough for an exciting journey. Children from 4 to 14 years old are welcome in the Play Forest at Laar, a challenging nature playground in the forest without devices, but with leaves, water, sand, branches, and everything that nature has to offer, even more as a play material. There is a picnic bench for parents and a sanitary facility. At Laar can be reached both by car and public transport. Speelbos at Laar is open between sunrise and sunset, such as all nature reserves of the Gooise Nature Reserve. Woo! Woo! That was a lot of info. Sorry about that. I just really like looking up info for stuff. But I think I've made my point clear that Spanderswoud is a fun and great forest to go to with your family, alone, you and your dog, and even your horse. Now, let's just enjoy some of this nature in peace without me rambling on. Enjoy! Did you enjoy that? I know I did. Now, I know that this video is really different from my typical videos, so let me explain why I made this. I love nature but don't really visit it, so I wanted to share my experience of nature with you. This is also a way for me to learn how to use an editing program, and it's also a way for me to learn how to make documentaries, seeing as this is technically a sort of documentary about Spanderswoud. I really want to be a movie director when I'm older, so this is a great way to learn how to make them. Even though this isn't a movie, this is just a stupid video I decided to make for you guys and my new school where I'm going to. I still hope you guys enjoyed this and stick till the end. Now back to looking at nature.
I hope you all liked today's video. Give a like, subscribe, and as always folks, keep hunting.